Last year, when we drove the regular Rimacs, I didn't expect that within a year, I'll be looking at another one. Say hello to the brand new or brand newish Rimac Nevera R. Designed specifically for a racetrack, 2000 plus horsepower. This is something that I'm looking forward to driving. You know, when they told me to come and look at this car, I said, can I drive it? And they said, no, it's not ready yet to drive. But there will be a launch soon where most probably we will be able to drive this car. So what's new about the Rimac Nevera R? Well, first things first. That's how long this car takes to get to 300 kilometers per hour. That's 8.66 seconds to be exact. Forget 0 to 100 because who cares when you can go to 300 kilometers per hour in that kind of time frame. Yes, if you're driving this car, you need to know how to properly drive, because when I drove it, it had a dual personality. It had a proper easy comfort GT character when you were on street mode, but the second you moved it to race mode or track mode, this thing was something completely different. Now, what Rimac did was they took the old car and they made it more aerodynamic. They made it more track focused. What have they done? Well, they got a brand new front diffuser over here. This creates better airflow around the car. They got a new wheel design, 20 inches in the front, 21 inches at the back. Obviously, a carbon fiber kit all over the car, making sure that this car stays as light as possible to its nature. And then they got a fixed rear wing, making sure it gets the downforce all the time. The regular Nevera gets an active spoiler, which looks very cool in the video, you can see that. But this gets a fixed wing for better downforce. It even has a brand new rear diffuser. All of this is on the external bits. It also comes in a brand new launch color called Nebula Green, which I think really suits the car. Now, the entire stance of the car has been improved for better track handling, better focus and better cornering. (2,107 horsepower is what this car makes. 350 kilometers per hour is the top speed. It can go up to 412 kilometers per hour, but under supervision with Rimac being there at the point. Obviously, you guys already know the 0 to 300 kilometers per hour timings, limited to 40 units only. The tech in this is phenomenal, but there is a lot going on in this car regardless of whether it's an upgrade or a regular version or no. It gets a brand new 108 kilowatt hour battery, carbon fiber everywhere, interiors that can match the exterior trim, and new Evo 2 carbon ceramic brakes. Now this bit I have to read. Without experiencing it, I can't actually tell you. So as for Rimac, you get 15% more downforce, 10% improvement in air efficiency, 5% increase in lateral grip, 10% reduction in understeer, and it beat the Nardo handling track time by 3.8 seconds. Now that is a lot. But how do we genuinely experience this? Well, the only way for me to experience this and share with you is by driving the car. So when they let me drive the car, I'm going to give you a proper feedback on how this behaves differently from the regular Rimac. I know the base car is epic. So what's my take on the R? Well, I'm looking forward to driving it and I'll get back to you when I do. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.